surpassing constitution of 1951. The last pre-independent constitution is called Littleton Constitution of 1954. Littleton Constitution of 1954. Now, let's look at this in the historical background. In May 1953, a joint meeting of the Houses of Chiefs and Assembly for the Northern region was held in Kaduna. The following 8-point programs on the Nigerian constitutions was adopted. Now, number one of the 8-point program is this, that each region should have complete legislative and executive autonomy in all matters except defense, external affairs, customs, and etc. I want to let you know at this point that the northern leaders were not ready for independence. When the South and the West agitating for independence, they were saying that the northern leader politicians were saying that they should embark on 8-point program, or what is called the custom unions. The custom what? Unions. That's what Nigeria should be talking about, that the Nigerian constitution should be reviewed accordingly. Then number 2, there should be no central legislative or central executive for the whole of Nigeria. Then number 3, there are that a non-political body should constitute a central agency for the country to be responsible for matters not allocated to the regions. So out of the 8 programs, because of time factor, we're able to discuss 3. Now let's quickly look at the main features of the Littleton Constitution. The main features of the Littleton Constitution. Main features of the Littleton Constitution. So, number 1, F3 regional autonomy was the most important feature of the Constitution, that some degree of autonomy should be granted to the what? To the 3 regions, so that the power will not be concentrated at the center. Membership of the House of Representatives was increased to 184 with ex-official members. I've told you the composition of the National Assembly today that constitute 360 and 109. As at that time, it was 184. The number has increased tremendously. There was no uniformity in the electoral procedure between regions. They were operating differently. The northern region were operating on their own, and the southern and western were operating on their own as the federation. The Council of Ministers consisted 9 elected members of the House of Representatives, 3 from each region and 3 ex-official members. Lagos became a federal territory and no more part of the western region. That means Lagos was taken away, just like we have FCT today that does not belong to any part of the state in this country. That's why we call it the center of unity. With the right to elect 2 representatives to the House of Representatives, etc. I want to let you know that this Littleton Constitution was the one that ushered in federalism, what we call true federalism in Nigeria today. Thank you very much. You will take this assignment for me, highlight the main features of Littleton Constitution, and make use of my WhatsApp number that I give to you in the first lesson. Thank you very much.